It's a beautiful day today outside. That's probably just because I just killed a rabbit. Oh, dang. The dog's barking. Everyone's excited. Those teeth. Is it a boy or a girl? Don't know. But here's an entry wound. Through there. Oh! You probably seen me with the rabbit. And this time, for the first time, same pellet gun. .177. All the videos I've posted have been on the with a 22 caliber, and mostly doves, probably just all doves, and this one little pretty bird. But yeah, just did that for the video. Oh, that's a nice rabbit. That's a big rabbit right there. That's a big rabbit. Oh, never killed a rabbit, actually. Don't make negative comments, y'all. Ugh, look at his ear. Yeah, something in his ear, looks like. I'm not sure. Right there, whatever that is. Don't know what that is. Maybe something. Probably just barbed wire or something. Again, pellet entry wound here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's a nice rabbit. Should have got it on video when I shot it. It ran, like, it stopped. And, yeah, crap. Crap, let me say that again. Alright, it ran like 3 feet in a circle, and then it dropped dead. And I went and picked it up, came home. It's a beautiful gun. I got my scope bore sighted the other day, 4x32 scope. Bass Pro Shops. And he actually didn't charge me anything. I didn't buy it there. And yeah, and I didn't like it because I don't know how many yards it sighted in for. And it doesn't have variable zoom. So, and I like it better without the scope on it. I'm thinking about getting another scope for it. That's one nice gun. I was trying to snipe some birds earlier with it. It didn't work out too good. There's this dove I shot at. I couldn't hit it for some reason. It took me like 20 shots. I'm serious. No joke. Alright, this video has probably been pretty boring since I just showed you my gun, my pellets, and a dead rabbit. So, it's probably kind of boring for you, so I'll let you go. I just wanted to show you what I killed, and it's pretty cool. I found a squirrel's nest too, so I'll be going back there. Maybe get a video of me hunting squirrels, maybe not. I like to go hunt alone because my sister and my mom aren't very good people to go hunting with. She's right behind me, and she just slapped me again, and again, and again. Dang, stop. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you, because they're really loud and stuff. She's on crutches, hurt her ankle or something. But I'll let you guys go. It's been a great day hunting rabbits and all. Everything I see, squirrels, birds. So I will let you guys go. By the way, that shoots pretty fast. Not the fastest, but Hang on, my sister's trying to tell me something. Anyways, my sister's trying to talk to me. She's whispering. I told her not to talk during this video. And I'm proud of her for listening. But it shoots 1,000 feet per second. Which would hurt you bad. What, Courtney? That's her. She's on crutches. What a weirdo. What a weirdo. Dang. She's crazy. Alright, guys. I'll just see you later, I guess.
Bye, YouTube!
Here she comes again. Oh, gosh. I'll let you guys go. And I'll see you later. Oh, my gosh.
1, 2, 3. Bye.
Courtney, dang. Be quiet. Alright. So, I'll let you guys go. See ya.